As we begin to flow into the mystic, let's just take a moment to get centered and take in that beautiful, beautiful breath and gently release it. And again, another deep, deep cleansing breath. Hold it and release. What a beautiful, beautiful way to begin this time of reflection and release, positioning ourselves in our chairs so that we just simply get comfortable with our body, feeling our feet planted on the ground, knowing that the energy from within, that source, that core of Mother Earth is reaching up into us, holding us warm and fuzzy, like the young children shared with us today. And it is that warm, warm sun that reminds us that we are always comforted, protected, shielded, as we find ourselves wrapped gently in the mid-morning sun. So in that feeling of comfort, safety, free of any concerns, letting go of anything that does not serve us, we simply find ourselves being, just being. We feel our human beingness coursing through our veins, beating in our chest. We hear the gentle sounds of the breeze. We hear and feel the connection that is with other human beings in this room. We feel their love. We appreciate their extension of love to us and ours to them. We are a community. That branches out far beyond these walls. We are more than what we see. And so in that knowing, let's just take just a bit to be in the silence of that. I feel that warmth, that joy, that feeling of connection with all the good that there has ever been and all that there ever will be. That silence just gave us a little bit more of a nudge of knowing how wonderful it is that we are all alive here in this same place together, holding each other in love, holding each other in community, loving each other beyond the seen and beyond measure, trusting one another. And feeling that gratitude. So as we come out of this space of blissful, joyful, resonating space, we gently come into this room, eyes open, hearts open, to love more abundantly than we ever have known before. And so it is.